Out there right now, please. Now, hey, I know we've got a new announcer that was just talking a little bit. He does a fantastic job. He's from ATR Motorsports. You're going to hear him a whole bunch tonight, along with myself. The first thing I got to tell you is we got to stay hydrated. We just had a gentleman fall over out here by the Demolition booth. We have to keep you folks hydrated, okay?
What is that?
Another thing, absolutely zero alcohol. It will not be tolerated. That is a new rule this year. For the last 20-some years, we didn't have that. But you know what? I think we're going to be a whole lot better without it, to be quite honest with you. You want to drink tomorrow? Go on out to the lake and drink all you want. And no way about it. We also would like to say, hey, we are we are almost at capacity. There's some people, there's a lot of folks that aren't even going to get into the show today. That's absolutely okay. We keep the Sand Lake Chamber and the village keep trying to make improvements to make the place better. If you do not get in, we're sorry. We hope that you come out and see us another time, okay? It is the 4th of July, and everybody come up to Sand Lake to have a good time tonight. Let's hear you noise. Come on, let's make some noise. I need those best decorated cars. If I don't see them in the next 2 minutes, I'm not even going to do it, guys. Best decorated cars. I need you out here right now. Thank you. What we're going to do is we're going to get one of these drivers down the middle and a beautiful trophy. We cannot do it without the sponsors.
I gotta get food soon.
Right down there they sell it.
Alright, I gotta get up.
Can I get by you?
That's being the tackle Sand Lake. And most of all, you folks for spending your hard-earned money to come on out here on the 4th of July. Let's make some noise, Sand Lake. So before we go to the national anthem, we're going to try to figure out, I got my head flagman out there, Joe Dunkelberger. He's been with me for 25 years, ladies and gentlemen. He's older than dirt, but I'll tell you what, he's one of the best flagmen in the United States. Put your hands together for him, Joe Dunkelberger. So Joe is going to start at this end. He is going, if he's going to fly that checkered flag, if you think that's the car that should go home with the trophy and the $50 bill, you make some noise for him. Go ahead, Joe. Volkswagen! Dog number 2. Checkered flag machine. Oh yeah, and she's throwing cane into the crowd. Yeah. Minivan. All the way out of Detroit, Michigan, making the trip over to Sand Lake in the B-17. Tom Avery in the 30, another. Come on, everybody, make a little noise for it. I think we're going to give it to the lady driver in the 2-2. What do you think, Sand Lake? Let's make some noise. Drivers, go ahead and put them back in where they go. I need my powder puff and my youth drivers. Youth heats 1, 2, 3, 4. Powder puff heats 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 lap qualifiers. And I think we're going to need a little more water on it here in a minute too. I think it's going to be a little bit dry. So I have to get ready for the fire hose. National Guard. She's from Ensley Center. But before I go to let her sing this national anthem, I tell you how proud is that. I'm proud of my grandson. He's up there waving that American flag for us today. Thank you, Emmett. Ladies and gentlemen, freedom isn't free. Would we all agree on that? Sand Lake, freedom isn't free. Would everybody agree on that? Come on, make some noise. We've got the Sand Lake Fire Department down here, ladies and gentlemen. We've already had one person fall over. They took care of them. Put your hands together for the Sand Lake Fire Department, ladies and gentlemen. We will be passing a boot for them, and they also are raffling off that beautiful side-by-side. I believe that it will be drawn. You don't have to be present. They're going to draw the winner of that on Sunday. We've got the Queensport out there doing the 50-50. Make sure you throw some money in that. We also are filling a glass jug around here for a young man that's in dire straits at this time. If you are a first responder, if you have been a military person and you have served this beautiful country of ours, if you could please rise for me right now, please. I need all. You know, I'm proud. I've been doing this here for 21 years. And I always tell everybody how great the Sand Lake crowd is. I want you to imagine that there's a roof on this place, because it would sure be nice tonight. Make some noise one more time for those brave men and women. We've also got Kevin's Derby World here tonight doing content. We also got Great Lakes Thunder for all your viewing if you can't get enough of it, but I do know we're going to need more water on this track too. I want to thank Ross Romano and all the guys from Dean's that have put this track together. I'm going to turn this over right now, ladies and gentlemen. If you are able to stand, gentlemen, if you could please remove your hats. Josie is going to sing our national anthem.
How about the anthem? How about the
Can you see?
I'll do it. I'll do it in my head.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets crackling, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Let's get this party started. We've got youth class. That are drivers that are between the age of 9 and 17 years of age. We've got a ladies powder puff class this evening. We've got modified class bump and run derby. We've got front wheel drive demo derby. We've got motor